In order to claim the 7-day free trial of Nintendo Switch Online on Nintendo Switch 2, first we need to go to Nintendo Switch Online. Let's proceed. Now over here we're gonna scroll all the way down and we need to choose membership options, and you should be able to find the 7-day free trial. So in this case we need to go to select a membership option. Let's wait a couple of seconds. And now over here, if you scroll down, you should be able to find the free 7-day trial. So we can choose the free trial here. Now after that, of course, after the free trial, we have payment methods. You can also enable the automatic renewal. And then we can proceed by pressing next. And over here, we can choose our payment method that you wish to use for automatic renewal. So let's say we're gonna choose credit card in this case. Now we will need to enter the PIN or sign into our Nintendo account, so let's proceed. And if you see the QR code, then of course we need to scan it. If needed, we have other sign-in methods. By the way, remember that the automatic renewal is not really necessary. If you choose to not use the automatic renewal, then we can just simply start free trial over here. And there we go, we have 7-day membership for free. And we can just close it, and that's all. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.